guys, today I'm gonna get some mangoes. Yay!
You pick all of the mangoes, babe. Put it in the basket. Okay, pull it. Yay! They picked a lot. Auntie's helping. Huwag niyo muna itapon ang din, ang yan kay dyan muna yung mga paper kaya para hindi ako mamaya maglinis. Sige. Ako na lang maglinis mamaya. You got a lot na din Sige lang, okay lang yan. Ay, wala na. Ay, sige lang, okay lang na yan. Farmer Isa.
Thank you for watching this video. We have so many mangoes we picked up, and it's so good. Thank you. I am Farmer Isa.